Hello students, we will continue our discussion with question number 2. A magnifying glass has a focal length of 8 cm. Question A. How close to an object do you need to place the magnifying glass so that the distance between the image and the magnifying glass is the same as the focal length? Remember, the distance between the image and the magnifying glass is the same as the focal length. Let's solve this question. For question 2a, the distance between the image and the lens, which is SI, equals to the focal length. The focal length is 8 cm. So, SI also equals to 8 cm. Remember, magnifying glass always form virtual image. So, we have to put negative sign in front of the SI. We were asked to calculate the distance between the object and the lens, which is SO. Use the general equation 1 over SO plus 1 over SI equals to 1 over F. 1 over SO minus 1 over 8 equals to 1 over 8. 1 over SO equals to 1 over 8 plus 1 over 8. This equals to 2 over 8. So SO equals to 8 over 2 or 4 centimeter. So we have to put the magnifying glass at a distance of 4 centimeter from the object to make the image appear at the same distance as the focal length. Let's continue to question B. What type of image is this, and what is its magnification? Before we determine the type of the image, we better calculate the magnification first. Since we do not know whether the person is observing with maximum accommodation or without accommodation, or even accommodate at a certain distance, to calculate the angular magnification of the magnifying glass, we better use the general formula for the angular magnification. The general formula for the angular magnification equals to PP over SO. The problem does not state what is the PP of the person. So let's just assume that the person has normal eyes. Therefore, the PP equals to 25 centimeter. The SO, we get the value from question A, which is 4 centimeter. So the angular magnification for this magnifying glass equals to 6.25 times. The type of the image can be determined by looking at the SI. SI is the position of the image. We know from the previous question, SI equals to negative 8 centimeter. Why we put negative sign? because magnifying glass always produces virtual image. So, the type of the image is virtual. Single lens always produces virtual and upright, or real and inverted. Because magnifying glass produces virtual image, therefore the image will be upright. And then the value of the angular magnification is 6.25 times. This is larger than 1. If the angular magnification is larger than 1, it means that the image is enlarged. If the value of the angular magnification equals to 1, it means that the image has the same size as the object. But if the angular magnification is less than 1, it means that the image is diminished or smaller than the object. This is the end of the discussion for question number 2. Let's continue the discussion in the next video.